Do you know many people are having trouble with changing their vacuum filters? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open dust compartment. Open the dust compartment lid by lifting the release catch completely to ensure dust containment. Step 2. Remove old filter. Release the filter grill with the catch and take out the old filter from the vacuum cleaner. Step 3. Insert new filter. Position the new filter securely by pressing it down. Activate the TimeStrip indicator if applicable. Step 4. Secure filter grill. Close the filter grill until it clicks, ensuring the filter is in place. Step 5. Lock compartment lid. Close and lock the dust compartment lid, making sure nothing is obstructed. Now you should be able to change the filters on your Miele Complete C3 with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Miele users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.